everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Madhushmita and you're welcome to Dear Wallet. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also make sure that you hit the bell notification on as well, as I post once every week, be it my long form videos or short. Today's video is all about new and affordable makeup. So जो भी products मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ, either I have showed like a short 30-second वाला reels, maybe or maybe not you guys haven't seen the shorts or the reels yet. So this video is going to give you the detailed insight of those products. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just begin with the video. So the products that I'm going to show you are under rupees 500. Maybe there are one or two products that are a little bit like above 500, but they are under 600, you can say. I'm going to start with this one right over here. So this is the Mars High Coverage Foundation. I have given a full blown review about it. वो आपको मेरे reels में मिल जाएगा या फिर मैं shorts में like आई बटन में डाल दूँगी, आप जाके check कर सकते हो. So I have the shade number 6 and this is a decent match, I would say. It oxidizes. It just looks like my skin but better. Today also, like in this video, I have applied this foundation. You can see this is clearly a perfect match for my skin tone. My neck area is anyways tan, you guys. Like मेरा body देखो और मेरा face देखो, they are actually the same except my neck area. Foundation that I really like. It's a very good long lasting foundation even during the summers as well. For 379 rupees, what you can expect, you guys. This is a perfect foundation that you have been looking for your oily skin to combination skin. Dry skin people, I think you should avoid it completely. I don't think that it is meant for dry skin, but if you have oily to combination skin, grab this right away. However, I would really like Mars to come up with more shades and with more undertones. Since we are talking about base makeup, I have been recommending this product for over a year now. This is not a new launch or whatsoever, but I needed this to be in my video because I don't know, it's so underrated. No one is talking about it. The price of this product is around 800 something. अगर आप Amazon को जाओगे, ये आपको 299 में easily मिल जाएगा. And it's been over 6 months now कि मैं Amazon में देख रही हूँ, उसका प्राइस 299 ही है. So these are the color chemistry concealer crayon, you can say. So these are basically creamy concealer. I do have a lot of fine lines, you guys. So whenever I use a liquid concealer, I can see that लिक्विड कंसीलर में बहुत जल्दी क्रीज हो जाता है. स्विच टू क्रीमी फॉर्मूला, स्पेशली इफ आई एम यूजिंग ए क्रीमी बेस फर्स्ट एंड देन अ लिक्विड कंसीलर, देन इट रियली वर्क्स फॉर मी. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई यूज दीज कंसीलर पेन्स एंड यू कैन क्लियरली सी मैंने कितना यूज़ किया है. आई ऑलरेडी हैव 2 बैकअप्स ऑफ इट एज वेल. जितने भी लोगों ने मेरे रिकमेंडेशन से ये कंसीलर लिया है, एवरीवन लव्स इट. यू हैव फाइन लाइन्स, टेक्सचर्ड स्किन, go grab this right away. You won't regret it. The product that I'm going to show you guys, it's not something newly launched, but they have newly launched this particular shade. Yes, they have extended their shade. Like I think they have added 2 or more 3 shades to their collection. So this is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, the most loved concealer. I have seen so many people talking about it, but एक मैं ही हूँ जो इसके बारे में बात नहीं कर पा रही थी because there was no shade, but finally they have a shade for me. So I got the shade Warm Honey in the shade 14. I used to use the shade Clairvoyant, but वो मैं as a highlighting shade use करती थी and trust me, I loved it. I would say this is a very good dupe for your Huda Beauty Fog Filter concealer. Yes, you guys, I can clearly say this is a very good dupe for it because I have seen the work of it. Both work so beautifully. They don't crease for hours and hours and hours. And I'll just quickly show you the swatch of it. So this is what the shade Warm Honey looks like. So it has like very yellowish orangish undertone to it. So if you have dark circles, then you can definitely go for it. If you are in between NC42 to NC44, then you can go for this particular shade. So that I'm going to show you, I feel that this brand is a an underrated brand, I would say. Again, this is not a newly launched product. This is the La Mer BB Contour. This is a contouring cream, you can say. They say that it is a cream product, but it's very liquidy. I'll just quickly show you the swatch of it. This is what the shade top looks like. So ये थोड़ा ashy grey में है, and this is a perfect undertone for contour, you know, and not the warm brown shade. The warm brown shade जो होता है वो आपके bronzing के लिए होता है, but this is a perfect shade for your contour. I think for my skin it's a beautiful contour shade, and this is so affordable. I think ये आपको around 300 के आसपास easily मिल जाएगा. If you are a my skin tone or deeper than me, this is definitely going to show up on your skin tone for sure. The day I posted the shorts, I knew that this video was definitely going to get viral, and it did, you guys. And I'm talking about the Candy Bella Gel Compact Powder. It's a compact powder but in gel formula. What the inner packaging looks like. This is basically, आपको लग रहा होगा ये gel है. When you apply it on your face, ये पूरा matte हो जाता है. You can see यहाँ पे है. See? You can see instantly ये गायब हो गया. There is no editing whatsoever. This is a no cut video, you guys. थोड़ा सा यहाँ लगा देती हूँ थोड़ा. You see? ये कैसे instantly blur कर दिया. Cost you for just ₹499. इसका प्राइस एक्चुअली बहुत फ्लक्चुएट होता रहता है अमेजोन में. कभी ये 599 का होता है, कभी 499 में होता है, बट आपको 599 के अंदर तो ये इजीली मिल जाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव इंक्लूडेड दिस इन अंडर 600 वाला वीडियो. यूजिंग दिस फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 4 months नाउ, एंड आई हैड नो ब्रेकआउट्स व्हाटसोएवर. So yeah, it's safe as well. This is the last base product that I'm going to talk about, and this is a new launch, I hope. So this is again from La Mer. This is their Hope highlighter. It's a beautiful highlighter, you guys. Like, it's a subtle highlighter, I would say. Again, let me just quickly show you the swatch. No harsh particle, there's no chunky glitter particles in it. It's just a beautiful highlighter. I can definitely tell you that this is a very good dupe for your Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. I don't have that with me right now, but I have actually used from one of my friends' Makeup Vanity, and I know how that looks. I know how that feels. This exactly does that. Don't have the budget to get the Becca highlighter, then you can definitely go for this one. Next products that I'm going to show you are mostly eyes and lips. So the first product that I have with me is the Mars The Light Liquid Eyeshadow. आई बटन में इसका swatches और वो मतलब eyes में कैसा दिखता है उसका डेमो के लिए मैं आई बटन में डाल दूंगी, आप जाके चेक कर सकते हो. I have just left with 2 of the shades. So first I have the shade Scottish Serenity, and I have Icelandic Frost. The shade I have currently on my eyes, and you can see how beautiful and gorgeous it looks. It has a beautiful shift to it, you can say, and it is so pigmented. Many liquid eyeshadow जो आंख में बहुत पैची लगता है, and you know लगाने के बाद ना और 2-3 घंटे के बाद क्रैक होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. But this one, oh my god, this looks so smooth. It didn't crack or anything. It just looks flawless, you guys. If you are a beginner and you don't know how to do eye makeup, then I would highly recommend you guys to get this, because these are so effortless, you guys. हाथ में लगा के बस लगा लो and eyeliner लगा लो and you are good to go. I have done a full face of Mars Cosmetics. That would be up on my shorts and on my reels very soon, if it is not yet. I'm not sure which video is going to come up first. This new launch has my heart, you guys. Like, I didn't know that I needed this one. This is Swiss Beauty Creamy and Matte Eyeshadow Pen. यहाँ पे आपको 2 शेड मिल जाएंगे, एक मैट और एक शिमर शेड. आई जस्ट क्विकली शो यू द स्वॉच. एक्चुअली मैं यहाँ पे एक वीडियो ऐड कर दूंगी. आई हैव अनदर शेड विथ मी एज वेल. सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुल, हाउ पिगमेंटेड दे आर. ऑनेस्टली गाइज, दिस इज सच अ ब्यूटिफुल न्यू लॉन्च. I think I would definitely get more shades of it. I'll have a collection of it. If you are a beginner, you need this. First apply it. ये थोड़ा सा creamy formula है, but then it settle into matte finish. उसके बाद ये समझ नहीं होगा, बज नहीं होगा, and it is waterproof as well. Guys, these affordable brands knows what Indian market needs. Okay, especially the shade range. I'm not going to talk about shade range, please, but overall most of the products are really useful. They are multi-purpose. Indian beauty brands are really aiming up their game a lot. I have seen Mars Cosmetics, Insight Cosmetics, Swiss Beauty. They are just launching so much good and effortless products. I have another product from Swiss Beauty, and this launch is something that I needed, you guys. Trust me. So this is the Color Be Bright sketch liner. I've come up with a sketch liner in colors, you guys. I have one in coral shade and one in this white. So easy, you guys. Like, trust me. It's like painting, and look at the pigmentation. This is smudge proof, waterproof, everything proof, you guys. I have again Swiss Beauty ka My Shine lipstick. You guys know these are viral everywhere because these has this heart shaped kind of thing. I've already swatched it and reviewed for you guys. You can check, मैं आई बटन में डाल दूंगी. It is so pigmented and shiny. Reminds me of the Revlon Glass Sign lipstick, which is not available in India yet. But हाँ, उनका जो super lustrous जो lipstick है, that reminds me of that. And trust me, this is worth having, guys, because the shades, the nude shades that they have, I am so impressed. This newly launched product that I have with me is from the brand Insight Cosmetics. This is their lip cream. Day I launched, I purchased it, and trust me, the next day ये मेरे फीड में पूरा भरा हुआ था. मुझे पता था कि इसके पैकेजिंग को देख के this product is definitely going to get viral and it is going to be all over on my Instagram, and it did, you guys. So I have two shades with me. I think by this time this video would be up. मैंने इसका swatches डाल दिया होगा. Not transfer proof. Like if you have any hot beverages और कुछ खाओगे तो ये निकल ही जाएगा. Even when I was having my coffee, it did transfer to my cup, but it is not as sticky as the Maybelline Vinyl Ink lipstick. It is not that sticky, so you can manage it. If you don't like the sticky lips, then you can definitely go for the Insight No Smudge lip color. Again, I have talked so much about it. I absolutely love this. Transfer proof, smudge proof as well. It is not going to transfer easily, and also it is a very long lasting lipstick. I have used this and went to Wonderla, I guess, and trust me, I didn't had to touch up again and again. मैंने बस लंच करने के बाद इसको टच अप किया, बट उसके बाद फिर मैंने पानी को गई, कितना खेली, कितना कूदी, still the lipstick was there. The last lip product that I have with me is from the brand Mars. This is their Mousse lipstick. Again, one of my favorite lipstick formula out there. Today also I have used this one. I have used the shade Best Shot. This is what the shade looks like. Don't go with the color of the packaging, you guys, because once you apply it, it seems like it's a very light shade, but after it dries down, it just looks perfect, and it's so comfortable on my lips. I don't even feel like I have something on my lips. It is that lightweight. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, I would love for you to try all these products. Like सारे products एक साथ buy मत करो, but एक ना एक product buy करो, and let me know in the comment section if you have used it, or if you are going to purchase it someday in the comment section. I would love to know about your opinion about them as well. But for them, I think that these new and affordable launches are so good and they are so worth it. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.